Right, sneaker lovers, shoe dog review here. Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing of a pair of Nigel Sylvester's Jordan 1s. Okay, now I've got to be honest, I'm a bit sceptical. Are they going to be as good as I imagine, or are they going to be a bit shitty? I don't know. I've seen pictures, I've read the story, but you know, and I love Jordans. Have they done it justice? That's the point. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, actually that's pretty good. Alright, that sole distressing is not bad. Okay, oh, I tell you what's really nice is the, oh yes, okay, what is really nice is they've used a really high quality leather. Oh, you can really feel that juicy tumbled leather. They haven't skimped at all. I mean, hey look, if you follow the Jordan through time, you know it's not always been made out of the best leather in the world, has it? Come on, let's be honest, right? You know it, not always. So, but this is really, really, oh, this is lovely. Really, look at the tumbling on that, honestly. You hear that? Oh. No PU, all real leather, which is, I think, really, that's important. Okay, and the scuffing, well, okay, you know, it's been done after, you know, it's not been done by the brakes of a bike, okay, but you know, it captures that look quite well, I think. And let's face it, these are such a good leather. These are going to wear in for a long time. Whoever has this pair will, you know, wear them in for a long time, and they'll actually add to the distressing, I think. At least they start like this, but they also mint condition underneath all that, so that's pretty good, isn't it? Definitely. Okay, look, missing logo here with the outline on it and the swoosh taken off. We've got the 3M swoosh on the medial side, which apparently resonates with bikers because it reflects at night. I guess we could do the 3M test. Kill the lights. Kill the lights. Get that in place. Then do that. Can you see that? Yeah, lovely. 3M, lovely. That works quite nice, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. That was a bit maverick, I know. Right, okay, let's get this one out of the box. Oh, we've got the laces. I've got to say, actually, I think I prefer it with the black laces like Nigel wears them, because then it synergizes with the tongue. You know what I'm saying? But it comes with a black and a red lace, and the ecru's on the actual shoes themselves. A little bit distressing going on there. I wonder if the whole lace is distressed or just that front bit. I think it's just that front bit because it got caught up when they were doing it. I think they just do that. Okay. Oh well. Alright, and inside here it's got the Jordan biking code printed in the collar. Established 2017. Alright, and I say all black tongue, which I really love that. It ties in with the lining, and with the black laces especially, that's going to look really, really good. As I say, really, really lovely leather, juicy. Okay, it's been stained all over. I mean, not only do these look like a pair that have been worn in by Nigel, but also, you know, when you get those old pair, those pictures of people who found an old pair from somewhere, you know, and they're always falling apart, and they restore them. That yellowing, that damage that goes on with the upper. I remember picking up a pair in Martin Luther Boulevard from a Korean sneaker shop. They've probably been there since they were new, and they've gone all yellow and nasty. That was some time ago. I think that was like 98 or something. Wow, that's a long time ago. Anyway, look, you see the outline here where they've redrawn the swoosh. That sort of removed distressed look with the swoosh missing there. 3M medial, stained bottom. A really lovely classic shoe. In fact, you know, that formula, I'd love to see that in a few other colours too. Maybe there'll be more coming from Nigel. And the front swoosh, which of course, you know, is quite unusual for Jordans. Overall, a very nice pair. And I will be doing some photography with this. We will be looking at reps and doing comparisons. Obviously that's why we purchased them. Lovely pair of shoes. Nigel Sylvester's Jordan 1s. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you next time.